Jotono lamsogo English to Kokbrok YouTube channel ang Singha Deborma Fading sing English sermoni haparo hainu haitin tekes jaga ya piselayana. I am doing morning walk. Ang morning walk khlai tongo. I am going to market. Ang hatio thangai tongo. I am writing a letter. Ang kaisa koktun sui tongo. I am reading a book. Ang kaisa bija poriwoi tongo. Rohit is practicing internet. Rohit jalo practice khai tongo. It is doing with hands. Obo yak by khai tongo. It is making with machine. Obo machine by sramui tongo. You are selecting for team. Nung team ni bagai select ngai tongo. We are getting comfortably. Jeng aram ke manai tongo. They are going to school. Borok rengnogo thangai tongo. Rohit and Virat are playing good partnership. Rohit te Virat kaham partnership thangai tongo. Oro kabangma example roi phunukma jagani sentence jotta sentence norok tamo notice khaikya sawi deman tomung nung saiman khanke nono belai khe hambai maro saiman yakhe kono kok krei tabu tinin simi saimanai norok oro jagao kok brok bai ei tongo obai ke kok brok bai thangmani norok nugui man khana obono no hono jeng English ho present continuous tense. Obo English satani eba English saithani wo belai khe samungon angmani jeng nukjago English ho obo korei hingke English ni kuno korei hanai mano abo haino obo ni belai khe nangmani English ho jeng nukjago phaidi hingke jeng tini obono töyoi sukruk boi tei thinango pogejat khe serengei nalayano jora kisi sasani bisingo jesek mansak angnongno sukruboi saikhnarwano hingke jeng sengang puila o present continuous tense tamo segang saimalayano tabu choliwui tongmani jora himano obono hingke abono hono present continuous tense hingke te kaisa kok bayarok norok muitun khlaidi kok borogo hingke subject plus object plus verb khe sentence structure ngo pheba English khe subject plus verb plus object obati khe sentence structure ngo norok abono muitu khlaidi present continuous tense ni sentence baike khlai abno muju tondi ang tabuk saikhnarawana sentence structure ngmani ingkha subject plus auxiliary verb bracket jeng layana am is are plus verb 1 plus ing plus object jara verb 1 verb 2 verb 3 saiman yarong bangai norok kon wana na korei just ang briefly ke discuss khai phono piwana obono do did done kenokna go when gone come came come anyway ang as kuno obo haino kabangma discuss khaina thangya just nongno busida bangai or short ke kaisa kaini example roi phonoka o do abongkha bar 1 did abongkha bar 2 done abongkha bar 3 come abongkha bar 1 came abongkha bar 2 come abongkha bar 3 abo hainyan hono bar 1 bar 2 bar 3 nge or jaga ke sing bar 1 no samgon nango hangke ang tabuk dong no saiknar piano norok ngai tongdi am are is norok o jaga o auxiliary verb nukhana bracket o jeng tabuk obono baglainai jeng sikang puila am no baglainai ani mung am angle bui hai kabang no tuimaya awon bangai khoroksan tuimanai an logi khoroksan phaidi ani khasuksa abongkha I ani bumung is angle kabang manola tuimaya tofanu je ani takuk songol ang tuinai norok joton phaibedi ang bumung sairwano he she it ram sam sita ang sananai meka omhaise jara third person singular number subject norok ke an logi phaibedi do jotono khulumkha ani bumung khe ar angle kabang mano tuimanu angni capacity kabang ma ang khoroksan sei bisino tuimanu khorong inom tuimanu ang sudu khoroksan lo tui ang selero khoroksan kanum nasleu aun mangai ang bai khoroksala ta phaibedi an logi wok phainai hingke khorong ma phainai khorokta ma phainai te hajar hajar lokho lokho je sukpanu kabang ungdi topon ang abon lang tuimanu an logi wok haipan ang khoroksa nola tuimaya abono kaisa norok muito nardi nongni thinango phaibedi we norok phaidi an logi den norok phaidi an logi it's norok phaidi an logi you norok phaidi an logi ram and lokhon obai ke kaphajak rokbo an norok phaidi an logi guys ang nongno just oboni phanike saikindar mani aboni meaning kha o subject rok ke je probo are ajagon phainai je ang am hnei sama jagao hingke ajagni sentence hingke I subject min phainai te kaisa is or third person singular number subject rok aborok min phainai abono muitun marna bangai ang nong just phani haike obo video khaike hingke sing haino hai or jagao te kaisa kainai example naileyano te busi mana bangai norok busarai sarai ke saimana ibangai ora sing pilo na lai phiono o am ni no I am doing morning walk ang morning walk khlai tongo o jaga norok nokhana I subject abon bangai auxiliary verb am phaimun nokha do abong kha bar 1 abon bangai ing no oro logi wa thepa khangke doing mani sing nokha morning walk aborok kha object ang nongno te kaisa kok sanamu sungo je probo interrogative sentence eba singmani jagao hingke jeng phasoma to buano o jagao auxiliary verb abonon huno interrogative sentence jeng tabuk je kok salai tongmano hingke huno assertive sentence hingke ang nong tabuk interrogative sentence baibo oro phunogano am I doing morning walk phewa noni bukhao kaisa muito tondi abo ongkha question mark interrogative sentence ho anytime question mark na tapok di last ho abno kaisa muito tong di sentence ni last ho ang morning walk khlai tongo means obo sajung sesung no sungmani hai klai kya kok broko ke jeng tabuk haino hai te kaisa jaga naileno example o am by no I am drinking a glass of water ang kaisa glass o tui nungui tongo o jaga I abongkha subject am abongkha auxiliary verb drinking abongkha drink ke bar 1 ing thepa kangke drinking khaithangka a glass of water means abo object dorok o jaga bunu khana phaso je asok mani same to same rules no follow khaini o jaga bu asokha hingke obonobo ang sana thangya o interrogative sentence of proke baike khlaina thang nang hnei afro hingke anytime phayo auxiliary verb phaso te kaisa narok muituna di je probo negative sentence khayo a somoyo khe narok present continuous tense o not work kaisa mathe panai abo jaga mathe panai hingke auxiliary verb ni poreo kaisa not mathe panai abo nong muitu khlaina dinong thinango जों tabuk nailai phiwano o is ni notui Rohit is practicing in the net Rohit jalo practice khai tongo or jagao Rohit engkha third person singular number subject abon bangai no is phaikya practice abon ka verb 1 aro ing thipa kangge practicing khai thangka in the net abrok engkha object जों tebo nailai phiwano o jagao she is dancing on the stage bo moncho mosawi tongo she abong ka third person singular number abon bangi o jagao is phaikya dance abong ka verb 1 abono ing add khaike dancing khaithango on the stage abong ka object he is singing on the stage bo moncho resabui tongo or buhaino he abong ka third person singular number abon bangai or auxiliary verb is phaikya singing sing ge torsap mani english bai abon bangai verb 1 abono ing add khaike singing khaithang on the stage abong ka object जों tabuk nailai phiwano it is doing with hands abo yak bai khlai tongo it abongkha third person singular number abon bangai oro is phaikya do ge verb 1 ge doing ngi thangkha with hands abongkha object hingke जों tabuk nailai phiwano o are by we are learning English language जों English ok srungui tongo or jagao learn abongkha verb 1 we o jagao we abongkha subject aboni bangai we bai जों kalangmano bujogo abon bangai ni o jaga are phaikya auxiliary verb learning abongkha learn ongkha verb 1 abono ing add khaike learning phayo English language abongkha object जों tabuk tebo nailai phiwano o jagao you are selecting for team nung team ni bagai select ngui tongo or jaga you bai hingke जों khorok ni no busiwo khorok sano busiwo abon bangai you o hingke जों are marnai auxiliary verb abono muitu khai tadi nong thinango hingke you ongkha subject o jagao are ongkha auxiliary verb select ongkha verb 1 abono ing add khaike selecting ongkha for team abongkha object hingke जों tabuk nailai phiwonai o jagao they are going to market borok hatiwo thangui tongo o jaga norok nokhana de abo ongkha borok means ar kabangma abo subject o jagao ar abo ongkha auxiliary verb going abo ongkha go verb 1 ing add khaike going to market means abo ongkha object hingke ang wan sogo norokno ang je sarai ke bujok ma ke tei ke bu bujok lagna hanai ma hano sini tiba sarong no aboni bangi no nong thanian kaisa koimung tomong nung o video no nai nini bukhawo agini sai taisa khato tung hai matong english no tei abai hingke ba nini baya sakbak sarok jara saiman yarong no share khai saiman rodi tei brong no bu sereng rodi abo no ang nong thani kaisa koimung tomung busia khu tong hangke ano comment khai sadi nongni feedback man khangke si ang belai khe mokhao tong thogo tei saima nongni bom hai jangjal tongkhu aboni bangai ang nong no belai khe kaisa koimung manargo nongni channel no phuardi abono tebu phuarna naidi English to kok brok channel no hage jeng tebu buskango agok malai nai asang nong thani koimung nargoi tinin video no ojang nong mathak laisibon फाइनाल भिडियो रगो जरक मलाई खेत एसे मलाई लेन हामबाय जतनो।